In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check total video shares right here on TikTok. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. This is our TikTok right here, right? And yeah, if you love to see the clearer view of everything, like the clearer display of everything, I suggest you use your laptop, right? Use your PC, use your desktop, use your MacBook, right? So if you love to see the total video shares of a video on TikTok, look right here at the bottom of this post, right? This is the share button. If I click on it right now, you can see this is currently the share button, right? This is the share link. So I think this video has been shared by 46.7k people, right? That is 46,700 people. So this is basically how you can see the total video shares of a video here on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope you will find this video helpful. I'm gonna see you on the very next video.